Fans.
Yeah, we're talking food again, and we are with Paula Peterson. She's a CommonGround volunteer, and you have a recipe, and it is bread pudding. And it's something that I like. I was just telling you that it's either bread pudding or pumpkin pie, one of the two, that probably could be my favorites.
Well, this one is kind of a way to use some leftovers, too.
Mm-hmm.
This is an angel food loaf that we usually have in the summer for strawberry shortcake, but I decided, okay, let's try to use this as a bread pudding, and I did it in 2 smaller pans for the one recipe, so you can take one to a friend or freeze it, or, you know, so you have a smaller portion that you don't have to eat it all at the same time. This one here, we just take the bread, I chopped up the angel food cake ahead of time.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to add, and this one is great because you can use whatever kind of pie filling you want. This one's going to happen to be apples and walnuts. You can do pecans and cherry pie, or peach and almonds, whatever you want to mix together. It's whatever you have in the refrigerator that you need, or pantry, you need to use up. So you can just dump it all in there.
Dump this in?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and start getting the eggs into the whipping cream.
Is this a pie filling?
Yeah, it's just a canned pie filling.
All right. And you said that you could use cherries, or you could use other fruits, other kind of pie fillings as well.
And the only, I was thinking about it, and
getting rough here. Hang on.
and yeah, add the walnuts, and then I've got the cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, all going into this mixture. This is just the whipping cream, eggs, cinnamon, nutmeg, and all of those spices will lend itself to either the apple, the cherry, or the peach.
Okay.
I don't know what blueberry would work. I was telling you, my mom's favorite is lemon, and I'm not sure what we add to the lemon. And so you just pour this over the top of it and let it soak for just a few minutes, and then put it in the oven for just under an hour.
Wow.
And then when you come out, you have the finished product there.
When you come out, you have this. And that's beautiful.
And you can add caramel topping on it if you want, or it's good on its own. My husband thinks everything needs Cool Whip,
yes.
But I did not bring the Cool Whip. I'm sorry.
Well, you know what?
So.
I am going to try this right now, just see what this tastes like, and it sure looks fantastic. I think I said before I actually tasted it, but it really is good.
Well, I'm glad you like it. It's something quick and easy, and 2 pans. You can freeze one or give it to a friend. So
sounds good. Thanks, Paula, for coming in today.
No problem. Thanks, John, for letting me come in.
You betcha, and Brad back.